In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Super Agents for project management. Let's set the scene. Super Agents in ClickUp are reusable AI assistants that follow your instructions to help with everyday project work, like drafting, updates, highlighting risks, and organizing tasks. They're great for keeping your team consistent and saving time on routine coordination. To get started, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in to your workspace. You can begin from anywhere, the inbox, home, or any space. The process is the same. If your workspace uses ClickUp AI, you're good to go. If you don't see AI later on, it may not be enabled for your plan yet, so just keep that in mind. Next, locate and click AI. You'll find it in the main navigation. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the sidebar or the toolbar. This opens the AI area where you manage your prompts, agents, and related settings. Think of it as the central hub for teaching ClickUp how to assist you. Spending a moment here helps you understand what's available, but today we'll focus on creating a single super agent you can reuse across projects. Now click Create Agent. This launches a new agent setup panel. An agent is essentially a role-based instruction set you define once and then call on whenever you need it. It keeps your guidance consistent, so everyone on the team gets the same high-quality output. Before you type anything, take a second to picture the job you want done. Is this agent a project coordinator that compiles status updates, a backlog groomer that drafts acceptance criteria, or a risk spotter that flags blockers from task comments? Having that purpose in mind makes the next step far more effective. In the prompt field, type your instructions for the agent you need. Aim for clarity and specificity. Start by defining the role and audience, then outline the responsibilities and the kind of outputs you expect. For example, you might write, "You are a project management super agent for the website revamp initiative." Summarize progress from recent task activity, flag overdue tasks with owners, and propose the next 3 actionable steps per task. Use clear, concise language suitable for weekly leadership updates. Reference only information available in this workspace. You can also add formatting preferences and constraints like tone, structure, or length limits. The more context you provide, such as project names, sprint cadence, or priority labels, the better the results. Avoid including any sensitive data, like passwords or personal information, in your prompt. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, accessed AI, created a new agent, and defined its prompt. From here, you can refine the wording over time to match your team's workflow and watch your super agent streamline project management.